Should I invest in gold in 2022? It's predicted that the stock market will be in a bear market and inflation will be high due to the effects of quantitative easing and currency devaluation by the Federal Reserve Bank. This would mean that if you invest in the stock market, your retirement would be threatened. However, if you invest in gold in 2022 instead, you can protect your retirement from the bear market and inflation by rolling over your IRA into a gold IRA account or buying gold outright from bullion dealers like Augusta Precious Metals. A recession is just one indicator of a bear market, and while they can be hard to spot at first, they usually develop slowly over time and can last for years. On average, recessions last less than 2 years. That may seem like a long time, but when it comes to investing, it's just not that long, especially if you have decades left until retirement. The effects of inflation, another key indicator of bear markets, also don't happen overnight. Inflationary periods tend to take longer than recessions do. They last about 18 months on average, but by that point, too much damage could already have been done by your stocks losing value. When it comes to investing, bear markets can be even more difficult to deal with than recessions. If you're going into retirement, you don't have many years left where you can sit back and watch your investments grow. You need income that will last for many decades, which means growing your nest egg while keeping inflation low and avoiding crashes during market corrections. That's why it's important to consider gold if you want help protecting your nest egg against economic turmoil. Gold is usually considered a safe haven investment during economic downturns because its value doesn't go down as much as other investments do during periods of high inflation or stock market crashes. There are alternative investments to the stock market. While gold is not for everyone, and it is certainly far from risk-free, it can be an important part of your portfolio when you need stability in troubling times. Gold has outperformed stocks every year since 1999, with an average annual return of 6.5%. If you're looking for alternative investments that have proven they can protect your retirement funds during bear markets, keep watching. With inflation high and getting worse and many analysts predicting another recession on its way sometime soon, it's no wonder gold investing in 2022 has been on the fast upswing. As stock market declines become more frequent and increasingly deeper each time, more people are looking at gold as a safe haven investment with guaranteed returns. If history is any indication, investing in gold will pay off handsomely over time. If you're looking for safe investments that have proven they can protect your retirement funds during bear markets, 2022 gold investing may be just what you need. As stock market declines become more frequent and increasingly deeper each time, more people are looking at gold as a safe haven investment with guaranteed returns. If history is any indication, investing in gold will pay off handsomely over time. Inflation is an unavoidable reality of modern economies, and buying goods and services with currency that loses value every year isn't going to help anyone. In times of economic turmoil or uncertainty, it's important to understand where different types of investments stand on various risk profiles so you can make better decisions about which to hold onto and which to cut loose. The US dollar is losing value. Even though most media outlets love to talk about how strong and stable the US dollar is, anyone who has held onto their cash will tell you it isn't. The dollar has lost over 20% of its value since 2001 and there's no end in sight. As inflation continues to climb, people need safe places where they can store their money and avoid losing purchasing power. Gold is an excellent hedge against inflationary forces that are only expected to get worse as we move further into the decade. Most analysts expect inflation rates to climb even higher over time, and with interest rates at historic lows, there are few places where investors can earn any return on their cash. The US dollar has lost value over 20% since 2001 and most analysts expect it to continue dropping. Even though gold is losing some of its value against other currencies, it's still expected to protect investors against inflation, which is why more people are beginning to invest in gold as part of their retirement plan. Gold has been an excellent hedge against inflation for thousands of years, but many people still aren't familiar with it. Gold is money. If you're going to have money invested, it might as well be real money. Gold is valuable everywhere and can be traded on global markets, just like any other currency. Gold isn't nearly as volatile as other types of investments and tends to do very well during times of high inflation or low growth, which, historically speaking, is often when stocks tank and bonds yield paltry returns. If you're looking for a safe investment that provides security no matter what happens to market cycles, gold is certainly worth considering. Gold has been used as currency for thousands of years and has always been valued for its ability to be traded for other things. Gold prices have fluctuated throughout history, but it's never been easier to trade it than today. Gold is available through online services, like Augusta Precious Metals, so you can make purchases anywhere around the world and get your gold delivered straight to your door within days. You can also invest directly in gold by buying bars or coins, which typically carry a small fee when you trade them back into cash, but they offer more liquidity. You won't have to worry about finding someone who will take bullion off your hands. A gold investment will diversify your portfolio. One of gold's biggest draws is its safety. No one wants to lose money on an investment, and gold provides one of your best options for avoiding that scenario. In fact, many investors think so highly of gold as a way to protect their retirement plans from bear markets that they roll over their traditional retirement accounts into gold IRAs, which are designed just for that purpose. While it's impossible to predict future market fluctuations, investing in gold offers protection against a variety of economic and financial risks, and who knows what happens when baby boomers start retiring. Investing in gold now in 2022 can help give you peace of mind when you're ready to leave your career behind but want your retirement savings protected and secure. When you buy gold as an investment, it's like buying any other kind of investment. You do so with hopes that your purchase will provide you some benefit down the road. While gold can be more volatile than traditional stocks and bonds, it can add a valuable extra layer of diversification to your portfolio and act as an important hedge against market fluctuations. Gold has proven its worth over thousands of years and continues to be a smart way for many investors to add an extra bit of security against riskier investments, such as stocks. If you're looking for diversity in your portfolio, or just a safer bet, gold may be worth exploring further. Volatility protects you against economic downturns. One of gold's unique properties is that it tends to become more valuable when stocks and other asset classes decline. Gold is typically one of, if not the, best performing assets during periods of market downturn. If you're worried about investing your retirement accounts in stocks, and who isn't, then there are plenty of reasons why you should consider diversifying into gold. As interest rates continue to increase as they have been, it will be harder for investors to protect their hard-earned money through standard investments like CDs and savings accounts. Gold has served as an excellent hedge against inflation for decades, and there is no reason not to expect it will hold true for years, or even decades, more. Finding an online broker or dealer who offers advice without charging fees or commissions. We recommend Augusta Precious Metals as our top pick. Finding an online broker or dealer who offers advice without charging fees or commissions can be a task. We recommend Augusta Precious Metals as our top pick. Many companies charge investors for management services, but we recommend finding an online broker or dealer who offers advice beforehand without charging fees or commissions. If you're interested in starting with gold, we recommend Augusta Precious Metals as our top pick. We've partnered with them and are proud of their customer service, transparency, and easy account setup. They will even do a free educational webinar with you to show you how it all works, and answer any questions you may have, without sales pressure. To get a free information kit, visit easygoldinvestments.com.
Hi, I'm Joe Montana. I had a lot of success in my football career, and it wouldn't have been possible without a great team protecting me. I'm here to tell you about my dedicated and knowledgeable team at Augusta Precious Metals that helped diversify my portfolio to protect my hard-earned retirement savings. Augusta's professional economic analysts will show you what they showed me through a live web conference packed with valuable information that bankers and Wall Street players don't want you to know. To get the playbook, all you have to do is sign up for the web conference. So hit that sign up link and get coached by a winning team. It's one you can't afford to miss.